So, depending on whether you've decided to cover your Ergo mouse form in Sugru or decided to spray paint it, I think it's always an interesting part of the design process to then reflect on your early sketches you did. And you can see again how the design intent had a certain look on paper and then took on quite possibly a very different look when you actually worked it up into the physical form. Again, if we take a look at it from this perspective, you can see that although the buttons were pretty close, you can see that the switch for the on-off switch and the DPI switch has actually changed position completely. And to be honest, this scroll wheel was drawn very approximately, but obviously I've spent time making sure that it actually feels just right for me. So of course there's yet another debate on this is the correct Ergo mouse for me, but maybe someone with smaller fingers might struggle to reach these buttons. And again, this is the sort of dilemma that many product designers will have to face and work with. But nonetheless, I think it still remains a valuable exercise to work through your sketches and build something that has some pretty good resemblance before you move into something more formal like CAD. And arguably with the developments in 3D scanning, this may actually be a very useful little model to take a quick scan of and then check your CAD against as you progress with the design. So obviously the whole part of this tutorial is not to make a very robust electronically designed product, but nonetheless, given that, as you can see, this does work and it provides all the functions that a normal mouse would, albeit with a completely different and original arrangement. So really, I'd leave it open to your imagination and see where you end up positioning all the components so that it feels just right for you and your needs. So I hope that's useful, and thanks very much for watching.